Hello everyone, greetings from JoyLot.com. Today, we'll be taking a look at these RayBan eyeglasses model RB8419 in color code 2509. The color of the frame is black. On its temple is a protective sleeve to make sure that the frames don't get scratched or damaged. These glasses are also a square shape. On its temple, you'll find the RayBan logo engraved. And it has a carbon print. And both temples are the same. You also find the RayBan logo engraved on its bottom left lens. On its inner right temple is the RayBan logo and that it's made in Italy. On its inner left temple is the model number, color code, and dimensions of the frame. 54 is for its lens, 17 is for its bridge, and 145 is for its temples. The glasses also come with a RayBan hard case and a RayBan cleaning cloth. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested to check out these glasses or any of the glasses, head over to the link in the description and check out JoyLot.com and have a joyful day.